So this is going to be a brief introduction to some new things that just came out from Unity and that we're going to be using in our class. So the first thing is I've just created a basic um, new scene, and they actually have different options now for your scenes. So I did the URP, Universal Render Pipeline. Um, I'm going to try because I figure the assets I have may do this thing, but you could also just do a basic 3D um, just to make sure that the colors you in. Maybe I'll do that one instead. Okay. Remember that universal render pipeline, if it comes in and you get an asset that's not newer, it's going to turn pink. So anyway, just a new scene, and then I'm going to, we're using the same project that we use to create our VR thing. So we have our packages in here. We have the XR plugin, XR interaction, Oculus, and OpenXR, and all the samples. But because we have that, we can just go to the samples, XR interaction toolkit, open it, and then we can go to this something called starter assets, and we can open this demo scene. Now this thing's quite incredible. It gives us everything. Some things to fool around with, manipulate, etc. And within here, so here's the origin, which is already set up. And I mean, look at all the stuff it comes with. These are new. These are brand new. It's got the grab. It's got the action controller. It's got all the teleportation, turn, snap, turn, move. All of it's already in there for us. I don't know about this gaze interactor. We may need to get rid of this. This is the Metagaze Microsoft thing that we've had some problems with. I haven't even looked at this. Yeah, so we're going to be doing a lot of stuff with this project. So, and everything's ready. So if I hit play, let's see what we see. Okay. And nothing's moving, so because it's not moving, we should understand, okay, we need to add one more thing, which is sort of surprising because it's XR interaction and they didn't provide it, but we need it. So we're going to go back to the toolkit, this XR device simulator. Well, obviously we need the simulator, right? Okay, and it comes with simulator controls, and this is new. This is new. So this is all new settings. So this is the reason this. Do I gotta drop the camera here? Maybe, huh? You have to keep up with these tech fields because the software changes, technology changes, features change. So I'm presuming, hoping that once I do this, there we go. We're moving. And it looks like we got to put some grab interactables and do some other stuff here. Um, I don't even know what this thing is. Grab interactables, poke interaction, gaze interaction, test header. Yeah, we got some cool stuff here. And of course, you could, put the hands inside here instead of the controllers. So super cool. Anyway, I'm going to want you to send me like an image from the headset or maybe a movie for this. And let's take a look at one other thing that just came out. This is open source toolkit for VR creation. And you can see it's going to be using node-based programming. So visual scripting. So again, node-based. So this is something we definitely want to explore also. And we can see it's free. So you could take that and bring it into your game and fool around with it. So I don't know that I presume pretty easy to put a grabbable on these things and grab them, etc. But I'm going to be sort of exploring that and you sort of look through and see what some of the settings are. I don't even know what some of these are because I haven't looked at them yet, but it's got teleportation set up, teleportation anchor. So I'm presuming if I'm teleporting. Oh, yeah. So we're turning blue somewhere in there. At least it did turn blue a second ago. There it is. Wow, that thing turned blue. Anyway, yeah, so I don't know what that was. That was interaction. This is. Oh, teleporting. So we just teleported. Anyway, some pretty cool stuff. So create a new scene from your existing project and open their demo scene. And yeah, do not save over that demo scene. You're going to need it in case you screw up. So let's just call this XR demo scene. So we know we have our demo scene. Don't do. Yeah, I don't know why that seems to be happening. So don't save over theirs. I think for some reason when that's happening, is that in my scenes? Yeah. Anyway, save a new scene and give me some images for it.